Hello, students. There are few problems related to some facts, this set theory. Problem number 1. Write all subsets of set A. Elements are 1, 2, 3. We have to write all these subsets of this set. See, 5. 5 means null set. Null set is the member of each sets. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, 1 is the subset of A, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. Similarly, 2, 3 will be the subset of A. So these are the subsets of set A. Now take another question. Write all subset of set A is equal to 1, 4, 5. See, this is very important problem. As previous solution, 5 will be the subset of this set. Then 1, then this, then same 1, 4, 5. These are the subset of this set. Why these sets are subset of this? 5 belongs to this set. 1 also belongs to this. 4, 5 will also belongs to this. 1, 4, 5 also belongs to set A. Therefore, you can say these are the subset of A, and here subset of A. Now related this, we have another problem. Write the power set of set A is equal to A, B, C. Power set. According to the definition of power set is the collection of all subsets. So, power set represent like this: PA, phi is the subset of given set A, then A, B, C, AB, AC, BC, and itself a set A, B, C. So this is the power set of A. Elements are phi, A, B, C, AB, AC, BC, ABC means A's. Okay, students. Now, an interesting problem. An interesting problem related to power set. See the problem. That is skill based problem. Important problem. Two finite sets have M and K. M and K elements. If the total number of subsets of first set is 56 more than the total number of subsets of second set, then find the value of M and K. See the problem. Two finite sets have M and Q elements. If the total number of subset of first set is 56 more than the total number of subsets of second set, then find the value of M and K. See, here we have two finite sets. Suppose first set is X and second set is Y. What is given here? Two finite sets have M elements. Means Nx, means cardinal number of set X is equal to M, and N by means cardinal number of set Y is K. See the condition. If the total number of subsets means power set. So P any power set of X, the total of this, that is N, may be calculated by the property 2 raised to the power n. And in set by n, power set of y, p by is equal to 2 raised to the power k. According to the problem, the number of elements in power set may be calculated by 2 raised to the power n, and the number of elements the power set of y is 2k. See the condition. If the total number of subset of first set is 2 raised to the power n, this is the total number of elements of set X, is more than the total number of subset of the second set. Second set is elements of 2k. 2 raised to the power m is greater than 56 more. So when we will equalize these two, we will add here 56. Then these two terms will be equal. Now we have to solve these things. How we will solve it? Take 2 raised to the power k common from these two. Then in the first you will have m minus k minus 1 is equal to 56. See, 2 raised to the power k, 2 raised to the power m minus k minus 1 is equal to, we may split 56 like this, 8 into 7. Now comparing, 2 raised to the power k is equal to 8. This may be written as 2 raised to the power k, 2 raised to the power 3. So k is equal to 3. Now we have to find the value of m. Now see this one, these things. So 2 raised to the power m minus k minus 1 will equal to 7. Transfer this minus 1 to right hand side, then 2 m minus k is equal to 7 plus 1, that is 2 raised to the power m minus k is equal to 8. 2 raised to the power m minus k, 8 may be written as 2 raised to the power 3. Comparing these two, then m minus k is equal to 3. And we know this value of k is 3. So put minus 3 is equal to 3. After solving, you will have m is equal to 3. So the value of elements in the set x and y are, m is, this is the 6, not 3. Minus 3, transfer to right hand side, then you will have 6. The value of m is 6 and k is 3. This is the solution of this problem.